What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Travel Tip Tuesday, where every Tuesday I bring you new vegan travel tips in 2 minutes or less. Let's roll it. Okay, I think we can really do it in 2 minutes this time. Today I'm in Canyon, Colorado. This is not a green screen. This is just my beautiful background, what I woke up to. And we're gonna talk about two things every vegan backpacker should keep in their pack for emergencies. Let's start the clock. In my very first episode of Travel Tip Tuesday, I talked about always packing snacks. But vegans cannot live on snacks alone. So here's two more simple things you can always keep in your bag. Number one, TVP. Texturized vegetable protein. Now, if you're a new vegan, you might not be too familiar with this stuff, but it's basically just dehydrated soy meat. Just add water and voila. With a little searching, you can find this stuff all over the world. But every once in a while, you're going to get caught in a situation where you can't. And it's light as a feather. That's why I suggest always keeping a little bit in your bag. Verasoy makes about 1,000 different versions of this in various shapes and sizes and colors. Sorry about the wind. We are in nature. I'd say whichever one you choose, go with the smaller one because it's going to rehydrate quicker. You can throw this stuff in ramen, in some pasta sauce. You can add it to a stew, like I do right here. Or you can fry some up, add a little barbecue sauce. You can make tacos. The sky's the limit. They'll take on any flavor you can throw at them. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, if you can't cook, that's a whole nother issue. Yikes. Number two, vegan bouillon. These come in little packs of maybe 8 or so, and they can add lots of flavor. You can use the broth to rehydrate your TVP, or you can add it to a soup or a stew. Personally, I always add one when I'm making tofu scramble, like I do here. Vegetable bouillon is not that hard to find, but unless you have the language skills we talk about in episode 2, or the apps that we talk about in episode 4, then I don't know if I'm allowed to add that many cards. We'll see. But it can be really hard to know if it's vegan or not. Sometimes they contain whey or some other milk ingredient or milk derivative that's not vegan. So that's why I always bring my own. My favorite are these not chicken ones from Edward & Sons. Hashtag not sponsored. I added some links in the description so you could check this stuff out. Now, I don't have enough subscribers to have affiliate links right now, but maybe if you're watching this months from now, I might get a tiny bit of the proceeds and no additional cost to you. And damn it, so close. One of these days, I swear I'm gonna get in under 2 minutes. As always, thank you so much for watching and sticking around to the end. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up. And if there's something that I missed or something you think every vegan should have in their bag, drop that in the comments below. And to see more travel tips every Tuesday, hit that subscribe button below. Until next time, stay homesick and stay vegan.